A fire at a Pennsylvania plant owned by hardwood lumber producer Weaber broke out on the night of September 8th, reportedly requiring more than 1 million gallons of water to contain. Fox 43 reported that firefighters arrived at the 84-year-old company's headquarters in Lebanon around 9:10 p.m. The station later noted that all first responders had left the scene by 8:45 a.m. the following morning, with the building still under a controlled burn. Reports confirmed that no injuries occurred and that a maintenance worker inside at the time of the fire had safely evacuated. The cause of the fire is under investigation. WGAL News 8 cited Lawn Fire Company Chief Dylan Wilson, who said he believes the site may contain the most combustible materials in a single building in the state. Wilson added that he expects the building to continue burning for days while crews try to contain the fire within the structure's walls. The incident marks the latest in a series of fires at Weaber reported by WGAL News 8, including one in May 2025, one in 2021, one in 2017, two in 2016, and two in 2015. The fire also comes about a month after Weaber filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. News site Lebtown reported that a company spokesperson described the filing as part of the company's restructuring plans and that Weaber had intended to continue its current business operations throughout the process. Weber's bankruptcy petition listed its 20 largest unsecured creditors, which totaled approximately $4.4 million. A few weeks before the bankruptcy announcement, Weber posted a WARN notice that revealed plans to lay off 145 workers at its Lebanon distribution center. The layoffs were scheduled to end on September 9th. Lebtown reported that the company had planned to close the distribution center and consolidate operations at the plant that recently caught fire. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.